morning I still get a little bit nervous. Fighting my anxiety constantly, I try to control it. Even when I know it's been forever, I can still feel the spin. Her train I remember, and I never wanna feel it again. Don't know if you get it, 'cause I can't express how thankful I am that you were always with me when it hurt. I know that you understand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath, spinning on in space, spreading on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. Sometimes I still think it's coming, but I know it's not. Trying to breathe in and then no, but the air gets cold. 'Cause even though I'm more than know, and I know how to shake off the past, I wouldn't admit it if I didn't have you holding my hand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath, spinning on in space, pressing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. I need you to know I will never be this strong without you. You seen how I've gone, you talk on my job, 'cause you were home. I don't wanna lose control. There's nothing I can do